Hello today. Today is 28th of August, Thursday 2025. As you know, guys, we are heading towards the end of the month. We had an amazing trade today, guys. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market today and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar, and if you're following my analysis on the YouTube, and if you yesterday, I have mentioned my London morning analysis. That was this beautiful short trade we had it. If you haven't seen that analysis, you can find that analysis link in the video description. All right, so you can see here, guys, we had this beautiful yesterday at the New York session. We had this beautiful long trade here, and after this impulsive price nicely broken, and we were expecting another continuation. So we had this beautiful London morning. We, as explained my trader, price has broken this previous high. So any trade pullback would consider high probability trade. From yesterday, we've been long on pound dollar. So now let me share with you how we analyze the entries and exit. So if you look at the pound dollar, we had this was the counter long trade here, pretty straightforward, and that was the price was around this level at this level. So we were looking entry here in the price section. You can see here the price nicely broke on this previous low which was broken and price could not maintain below this level. So we had this sign of continuation, but we were looking the valid entry as mentioned here. Look for the price breakout. Price nicely broke on even after the breakout price give us the confirmation. We had this beautiful rally, and that's what we explain our traders time to bank some profit. As soon as the price hit this level, we help our trader to suggestion that it's time to bank some profit and look for another pullback. So that was a beautiful trade we had. And then afterwards, we explained pretty straightforward in the Asian session. As mentioned, my trader just keep taking any pullback, would consider high probability trade. So we had this beautiful long trade here. Even after that, in London morning session, if you look at here, around 7 a.m. London morning. So we explained if the price is going to respect this low, any pullback would consider high probability trade because the price has broken this previous high. As you can see here, we have one pullback, second pullback, even third pullback. Despite we had the news for negative for the positive for the dollar, but still, as mentioned to my trader, trade what you see, it's not what you think. So we had beautiful long trades on pound dollar and squeeze amazing profit. Let's look at the Euro USD. We had another beautiful long trade here, Euro USD, and in yesterday London session, morning session, we had this beautiful long short trade here, and pretty straightforward. Price nicely respected. So we have a counter long trade here, congested at the New York session. Once the price broken, and we've been keep taking a long trade here. Pretty straightforward. We have impulsive price develop correction, and then we had this another impulsive reaction. And how we analyze, especially at this yesterday at the New York session, we had a nice, beautiful long trade here, and this is the counter trade here, guys. You can see here, pretty straightforward and beautiful counter long trade. And afterwards, we had another beautiful pullback, as mentioned here. Keep taking a pullback. That was a beautiful trade. Even today, you can see here at the London morning session, as mentioned, keep taking a pullback. We have another pullback, squeeze amazing profit, and then later on we also had another beautiful, you can see a flag pattern breakout, squeeze amazing profit. And now at the New York session we had this beautiful breakout, which is a pretty straightforward, as mentioned to my trader here. If the price can respect, keep taking a pullback, but the safest trade, look for this one, because the news release for the dollar was positive, so we were expecting there might be a possibility of counter opportunity. But if you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish. That's how we explained. Keep taking a long trade here. Squeeze amazing profit on Euro USD. And another beautiful trade we had it. That was the beautiful on gold. And if you have followed my analysis yesterday in a London morning session, we have this inspection. We beat the price respected. We had this long trade here, and then you can see Asian session. We have this reversal, and then price nicely respected and continuation. So we mainly taking a long trade here, but being a intraday trader, once the price respected this area, we also had a counter short trade here because we are looking as being an intraday. The news release for the dollar was positive. We had one push a little bit. We also squeezed that counter trade here. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. So pretty straightforward, and let me share with you guys. This was the trade we had it pretty straightforward at the New York session. Beautiful, amazing trade. squeeze amazing profit. Even after that, we also had another beautiful pullback. Then we had a counter short trade here, and that was the pretty straightforward. Price developed sideways market, and price nicely broken and give us the confirmation. Beautiful short trade, even pullback. Squeeze amazing profit. After that, basically, as mentioned, look for another pattern once the price develop another pattern here. And if you look at the pattern here, that's what we explain our trader. Price develop in inverted head and shoulder pattern, and as I explained, if the price cannot break, just keep taking a pullback. We had this beautiful breakout and one pullback, second pullback, and afterwards, basically any pullback, I suggest my traders time to bank, continue taking pullbacks. Once the target hit, well, that's what we explain our traders time to bank some profit. So we had amazing day, guys, today, and let's see here. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the month. As always, recommend to my traders, if you have a positive portfolio of the month, stay away and don't trade aggressively. Trade wisely. We'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, all the best and take care.